here, welcome back to another video. This one is special for me simply because I'm a Volkswagen lover. I've got a 1972 bug myself, and this is a Volkswagen Beetle graveyard. Wow, that's all I can say. Just look at these. Left of a rather pink beetle. This honestly is amazing. I know for a fact this hasn't been done by a lot of people, which just adds to it for me personally. Just look at that, you know, if I was 73 I'd say looking at it. Oh, look at that, wow, I found the rear end to the pink one anyway. Trying to be as still as I can, guys, but as you can see it's just parts everywhere, so I'll do what I can do. Wow. So obviously had a bad impact at some point at the front. That's an earlier bug. Man, that's awesome. Just beetles everywhere. I've done a lot of car graveyards, but I think this actually might be one of my favourites. So this one, yeah. Luna. That's a Land Rover. Full of beetle parts. How cool. Wings and everything. There's just parts of cars everywhere in the trees. Wow. Right guys, that's all the cars, bar a couple over there. Absolutely amazing. Might only be a short video, but I'm going to spend some time getting some decent photos here. I've been on the road about 13 hours so far today, so it's starting to take its toll a little bit now. So we will wrap it up there. If you're new to the channel, thank you for finding it. Hello, what's up? Hope you enjoy what I'm doing. Current followers as per usual, thank you for the support, the likes, the kind comments, really appreciate it. Gets me the motive to go out and get doing it. And yeah, peace and love, take care if you're exploring, and I'll see you at the next one, guys. That's Kurt's little tribute, that is, right? Just see you. Take care, guys.